What's up, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, what's going on? I got the 2000, whatever year this is, 7, 8, or 9, I'm not sure. Chevy Cobalt. It's right here, live in the flesh, ready to go. Yeah, this is the car. Yo, today I want to talk about patience. Like, I don't understand. A lot of people don't have a lot of patience. Like, you see how I'm blocking this car right here? So there was another car right there and another car right there. I know the guy that was parked in that spot, he was trying to come out, so I moved my car forward to right here. This guy over here, as soon as I move my car forward, I'm sitting there for not even about 10 seconds, right? It's like he counted to 10. As soon as he got to 10, he's like, okay, I want to leave now. If I did not pull there, I promise you, you'd have been sitting there for another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But as soon as he see me pull up, because he's watching me move up so this car could come out, now he wants to leave. He gets out his car, comes to my car, like, yo, I'm trying to leave. What are you doing? Like, I bought McDonald's here. It's free parking. Like, I'm entitled to it. This, that, and the third. And I'm like, my brother, I wasn't even here 15. Like, relax. I'm not even staying there. I moved the car up so you could come out. And then I'm going to move it back so you could go do whatever it is that you do, brother. It was completely unnecessary for me to come out the car, come to my car, and try to start some bull job on a Sunday morning. It's Sunday morning. It's the Lord's Day, you demon, devil. I'm not really understanding what the problem was. It's like, and with that said, I feel like, one, so some people don't have patience, and two, I feel like, there's really demons out here just fishing for arguments, and problems. Like they get off on that kind of stuff, and I'm not understanding. Like, I'm not that type of dude, brother. Don't bother me. I don't want to bother you. I want to stay away from you. I don't want no smoke. Don't bring no smoke my way. Like, and not even to be tough, cause I don't like all that tough stuff. But come on, bro. I'm entitled to slap you now, cause what are you doing? Like, there's this real life issues going on, and you want to argue about backing out of a parking spot 10 seconds too late. I'm not, like, there's real life issues in the world, and people just, like, want to waste time and argue. I'm not wasting time, nor arguing about any type of nonsense with nobody. For what? I wake up in the morning, there's too much stuff to get done for me to be sitting here arguing with somebody over some dumb stuff. I got too much to do. A lot of people don't even have a to-do list, nothing to do for the day. Okay, I'm gonna just take it as it comes. I might do this, I might do that, I might go here, I might do that. End up doing nothing, and like, bro, that's not cool. That is not cool. I'm gonna try to come here, shoot my little video, right? That's it. Shoot my little video and sell my little car. That's it. I mean, y'all see it. This is the car. I'm showing you everything. I don't want to hear that light is busted. Yes, it's busted. I know that. Yes, it is. And we got a little tail light busted over here on the backside too. And that's all that's wrong with this car. That's all that is wrong. Other than that, she drives smooth. She's a beauty. Cheap on gas. You can do what you want with it. Beats me. Yeah, see, that's the tail light right there. Got the little tints on it. I don't know what percentage that is. But yeah, man, that's just. And then, people try to entice you to come out of your character and do things that you don't want to do, bro. Like, I'm a pretty cool, chill dude. Like, God forbid I had been somebody else. Like, some super tough guy shit, and I popped on him. You know what I'm saying? Now it's a simple situation, just like how this car is there. It's escalated to something completely different now. Like, for what reason? There is no reason. People need more stuff to do. They have too much time on their hands. Too much time. Right? So, like I say, this is the car. I believe it's 08. It's 08 Cobalt. I'm quite sure, but I believe it's 08 Cobalt. Runs and drives very well, clean title, and you can come check it out. Oh yeah, we don't got no mirror right there too. That's late stuff. You can come check it out. It really runs and drives fine. We drove it back. It's been test driven over an hour and a half already. Shifts good, 1, 2, 3, no lag there. Starts right up. Radio works, heat and AC work. Pleasant mobile. Just need a little TLC, with a $25, $30 tail light, another $25, $30 headlight, and a $20 mirror, and you good to go. I believe it was female owned because it says Ashley right there, and I don't know why a guy would put Ashley right there. I'm not too fond of that, but yeah, check me out, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Luminary__autos, or just type in Luminary Autos wherever you can. I should pop up, and I appreciate y'all watching this video. Y'all take care and be safe out here in these streets, man.